In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn on vibration for incoming calls on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So in case your iPhone is ringing but it's not vibrating, or maybe it's in silent mode but it's not vibrating, then here's what you can do. Go to settings. Under settings, scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Under sounds and haptics, go to ringtone, tap on that, and this you can tap on that whether you have a ringtone enabled or not. Okay, so just tap on that and then go to haptics, and as you can see, haptics is set to none. So what you want to do is select a haptic pattern. All these are haptic patterns, so any of these will have your iPhone vibrating while it rings. And of course you can also come here and create your own vibration pattern, but anything besides none should allow your iPhone to vibrate. So you can now go back, and next time you have an incoming call, your iPhone will vibrate. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and even subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.